Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we'll talk about some more interesting functions about Microsoft Excel. Let's see what are those. As you can see, I have some names here called person A, person B, but in different field. Let's say I want to join them. How I can do that? You can use concatenate formula. Let's see how it works. You can start your formula with equal to sign and type concatenate open bracket. Select the first text you want to be visible in this particular cell, comma, the second text. If you have more, you can continue doing, otherwise let's close the formula with a bracket. Here you see the person A has been done in a single cell. You can drag this down to make it affect here, but it's not completely done because you can see that when you're clicking on this cell, it's not a value, it's actually a formula. To convert this formula to a value, just copy this, go to home, click on paste and click on paste value, and here it is a no more formula, it is a value. Now let's see what else we can do with this. As you can see, here is a person A, again there is a person A and person F. So I want to remove the duplicates in this. How I can do that? So let's just delete this, it's not useful anymore, and select all this range and go to data, remove duplicates. It will ask you the column, let it be like that, and click OK. It says 2 duplicate values found and removed. Now we have 6 unique fields. That's how you can remove your duplicates. Now let's say that you want all these cells to be in a row format. Instead of one below down, you want side by side in a particular row. How you can do that? It's very simple, guys. You just have to select the range, copy, and select a cell where you want this data to reflect in a row. For example, here, go back to home and click on the down arrow under the paste and click on transpose. Here you see the same data reflected in a row. Let's see what else we can do with this. Now I'm going to tell you about text to columns. For example, now we have joined the data from 2 different cells to one. Let's say I want to divide this data. How I can do that? Select the range, go to data, click on text to column. You can see here it's asking you 2 fields, delimit or fixed width. Let's just first check delimit. Just click on next. You can see there are like so many things here. How you want to separate them? I want to separate after the space here, so I'll just click on space. As you can see, it's going to display also how he is dividing. If you have any other character or any other symbol here, you can click on other. For example, if there is a comma in between, you can type comma here. Otherwise, now currently it is space in between these 2 words, then I'll say space and next, and it's done. As you can see, it's separated. There is another way. Here we can divide this. Again, go back to text to columns, go to fixed width. Here you can select this arrow from where you want to divide it. For example, I want to divide this particular from here, that means after PER. Then I'll select this arrow after PER and click on next and finish. As you can see, it's divided from here. So this is how it's very useful while playing with the data. Now I'm going to show you how a data validation works. Data validation is nothing but it will give you the option where you can choose the fields to be filled. For example, let's say these are the person names and these are the amounts they have paid, but they are allowed to pay, or we can only fill the data into yes or no. No other value should be accepted here. You want only yes or no. So how we can do that? We can just type somewhere in the sheet called S and then type no, because these are the only two fields I want to be selected here. Otherwise there should be no any other text should be there. Like I can type anything here, this should not accept the Excel. As you can see, it's now accepting, but I want only yes or no data to reflect here. So let's see how I can do that. I can go to data validation and select data validation. In this list, select list. Here's the source is asking. Click on this and select the source. I have selected these two fields. Now click back here and click OK. As you can see, a particular arrow has come. Here you can select either yes or no. A drop down will appear which shows only these two fields. Why? Because you mentioned these two fields here. This is the actual source. If you try to type something else, it won't accept. It accepts only yes or no. You can copy the formula to here as well. So even though if it is blank, it will accept only yes or no. You can't type anything else. So that's it guys. This is about few random functions which are useful in Excel while you work. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel to know further about so many applications. And in our next video we'll be talking about macros. And if you have any more doubts, please put it in your comment sections and I'll try to get back to you.